back. Today we're going to talk about equations and solutions. We need to talk about a little bit of vocabulary first. First of all, an equation is a mathematical sentence formed by placing an equal sign between two expressions. It's not too terribly difficult to see it because we need two expressions. For example, we could say like x minus 5 equals 8. Or we could say something like 5 plus 7 equals x minus 3, or something like x times 4 equals 3 minus x. So we have two expressions, and the equation sounds like equals. So there has to be an equal sign in it. Solution is a number that you can substitute for a variable to make the equation true. For example, if I have x minus 2 equals 5, well, the solution would be what I put in for x to make it true. So for example, 7 minus 2 equals 5. That's true, so x is equal to 7. This is called a solution. Not really too difficult there. Solving an equation is finding all of the solutions of an equation. So up here, that was solving the equation. We found out that x was equal to 7, so we found the solution. Let's check ourselves. We're going to try these in our notes, and these are something you could probably do maybe in your head, but I'd like for you to show your work, and so you can see how this works by doing number 1. If s is 18, remember, that's a variable and it represents a number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 43 minus s, and I'm going to put 18 in for s, so that's 43 minus 18. And when I simplify this, I'm going to get 25, because 43 minus 18 would be 25. 135 divided by m, if m is equal to 15, so that's going to be 135 divided by m. Put 15 in for m, so 135 divided by 15. And I can go ahead and try this. And so I'm going to try to put this in. Goes into here 0 times, and we can make a guess. 9 times 5 would be 45. 9 times 1 would be 9. Plus 4 would be 13. So 9 is my solution to my equation. Try the next two. Make sure you follow the order of operations. Substitute in for the variables. Another way to solve equations would be to use mental math. So in that case, we said make sure you show your work. In this one, we're going to use our mental math powers. A way to do this is whenever you have a variable, you can think about it as what number. So 15 minus what number is 4. So 15 minus what number is 4? Well, obviously, if we subtract 11, 15 minus 11 equals 4. So n is equal to 4. We're going the opposite way now. We're figuring out what the variable is going to equal, and then to check, we can plug it back in. So right here we plug answer in to check. Let's try this one. Draw a little line to separate. 8 times x equals 32. Well, 8 times what number is, because is another word for equals. Well, 8 times something equals 32, so 8 times 4 equals 32. So x is equal to 4. So you're deciding what it equals and then check it out. Try this last one on your own. This one is for you. R divided by what number, what number divided by 12 is 4? Let's look down here. Checking solutions. Check to see if the solution fits the equation. Well, here's the equation. And I'm going to check both 12 and 28. So basically, n minus 8 equals 20. N minus 8 equals 20. I'm going to check both of these solutions. So the first one I'm going to pick is n minus, I'm going to put 12 in for n. 12 minus 8 equals 20. And 12 minus 8 equals 4. And 4 is not equal to 20. So this one does not work. But if I plug in 28 over here, I have 28 minus 8 equals, and that should be 20. And that is true because 20 equals 20. And so what I'm going to say is, this is the solution. Correct solution. All we're talking about in this section is plugging in variables or solving for variables and checking our solutions. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. The second page of this note section we're going to work on in class. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.